Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add strains. This is important because Metrc wants you to identify the strain of every product being sold. Quick side note for any cultivators. At the moment, the rules state you can only have one strain in a batch. If you're licensed in Oklahoma, OMA defines a strain as sativa, indica, hybrid, Afghanica, and ruderalis. This means that you could theoretically have several different strains in a batch because they're all sativa, as an example. At the time of shooting this video, there's a proposed amendment to change the definition that will identify a strain by its street name, such as Northern Lights, Blue Cheese, Skittles, etc. If this passes successfully, at some point in 2021, you'll need to adapt to that rule. Let's get started. On the left side of your screen, you're going to select strain and then add strain. Perfect. You'll need to fill in the mandatory fields here. So I'm going to start by adding in some information about my strain. So I'll start with the name of the strain itself. We're going to go with Sour Diesel. We could also add the THC and CBD information if you want. As for the percentage of that strain that is defined as indica or sativa, you will need to define that here, or at least identify that here. In this situation, I'm just going to say that my indica percentage is 100. So what this means is that 100% of this strain's lineage is indica based. Now, if you're in a situation where maybe it's a hybrid that you're doing and perhaps it's a 50-50 split, you would put 50 here in the indica field and then 50 here in the sativa field. It's important to note that these two fields combined cannot exceed 100%. Just keep that in mind as you're using this feature. And then I'm going to go ahead and select Add Strain. As you can see, the strain is now created. This information automatically passes through to Metrc, so there's no need to log into Metrc to create your strains there. And if at any point, if you're anywhere in the software and you do need to review those strains to see which ones you've already created, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll select strains and then strain list, and this will show you everything that you've created. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@seedsuite.us. Again, that's support@seedsuite.us.